my 1996 two-door Tahoe. I blew the engine 1 fuse and engine light came on. Looked online and found 5 or 6 different things that run off that engine 1 fuse, and I got lucky. The last thing that I changed was the EGR valve. If you're getting engine code P0102 and P0340, this might be the first place you want to look. What I saw that I caught right off the bat was where it plugs in, the wires are all dirty, but it still makes a connection. However, where it runs along the body of the EGR valve, it rubbed the wire raw and shorted it out on the pink wire and was blowing my engine 1 fuse. So that would be a good place to start. Took me less than 3 minutes. I'm about 99% sure that that's going to solve my problem. If any of you guys have this, I hope you check this place first.